Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Acts, and this is episode 195 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions, and there's a lot of questions, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about how often do they change the toilet seats in the cabins? Can I play cards on the ship with poker chips? I booked the chef's table for embarkation day. Can I bring a 12-pack of Clamato on board? And is there a fee for scattering ashes at sea?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser was recently on the horizon and had a great time. They did have a question though. They wanted to know how often are the toilet seats in the cabins changed? When they went to use theirs, they saw that it was not very new, they said. Jacinta said, if you report this to the stateroom attendant, I'm sure they will change it for you. So I can agree. We've definitely been on a few cruises where it looks like that toilet seat's been around for a minute. And no matter how hard the attendants try to clean it, it just looks old and scratched up. So apparently if that bothers you, ask your attendant and they will get it changed. There you go. Question two. This cruiser was wondering if it is okay to play cards on the ship and bring poker chips, non-denominational poker chips, just the regular ones you buy in the stores, to play for fun, but not money. John said, yes, this is perfectly fine because it's not actual money. We all know each of those colors have a value assigned to them and they're going to be exchanging money later, just not at that point in time. But it's a good end around. And if you're going to do that and play cards, find an out of the way area. Don't sit on Lido deck when people are trying to eat and you're taking up 3 tables playing cards. People want to eat. So if you like playing cards on the boat and you don't want to have money on the table, you most certainly could. Just bring the regular poker chips. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser said they mistakenly booked the chef's table for embarkation day. They were looking at changing the date as they already had the steakhouse booked for the same day. John said it's okay because they never have chef's table on embarkation day. The ship will let you know what day and time this is scheduled once you are on the ship. So yeah, you can book it for embarkation day. It is never on embarkation day, so no worries. Nice and easy. Question 4. This cruiser wanted to know if they can bring a 12-pack of Clamato on board, or does the zero-proof chairs package include Clamato? John said you can bring a 12-pack of Clamato cans, although the Cheers zero-proof package, it does include it also. So save yourself the hassle of lugging a 12-pack around. It is included in the Zero Cheers package. Last question. This cruiser wanted to know if there was a fee for scattering a loved one's ashes at sea. John said, no, there isn't. So if you wanted to do that, there is no fee involved. You do have to get with the folks at Carnival to arrange this ahead of time, but there is no fee involved. So that's been episode 195 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.